Now, of course, we will need to pass some data to goal item though, because we got the item data here in the app component, and we need it here. And this is a problem solved with props. Again, just as we do it in any React app, because we are building a regular React app here. We have a regular React component, and we can use props therefore. And we can expect and use any props we want, because it's our component. So here, for example, we could expect that on this props object, we get a text property or a value property, whatever you want. I will go with text here. And now we just have to make sure that in the place where we use this component, so in the app component here, we pass this prop so that we set a text prop here on goal item in the app component. And then here we have to pass in item data dot item dot text, because again, text is the property that holds the actual text, and I want to pass this text as a value to the text prop in my goal item. And with that, if we save this and I reload everything, if I go back and I learn React Native here, this crashes because of this error, can't find variable view. What's wrong here? Well, what's wrong is that in the goal item component, I'm using the view and the text components, but I'm not importing them. And I showed this on purpose because this is important to understand. If you're working with React for the web, you can use divs and h2 elements just like this. You don't need to import them. That's different in React Native. There, all these components are provided by React Native, and you have to import them in order to use them. So besides importing the style sheet here, we also have to import view and text, because we're using these two components in this JSX code. And once we import them, if we now reload our apps again, you will see that now, of course, if I do learn React Native, this works again. And now it's looking the same way as before, because in the end we get the same UI as before, but we're achieving this with help of another custom component.